Good morning, evening, or afternoon, everyone. My name is Sita, and I'm going to show you how to use Discord for the very first time. So, what is Discord? To put it simply, Discord is a messaging, voice, and file sharing app that you can use for communities. So, how do you get Discord on your computer? The first thing you need to do is go to discord.com. Now, once you're on the Discord website, it gives you two options to download. You can download for Windows or open Discord in your browser. Sorry, this isn't downloading, it's just opening it in your browser. So we only have one option for downloading and another option to open Discord in your browser. For the purposes of this tutorial, we're downloading Discord for Windows that we'll use on our computer. So click the download button and we'll wait for the download to finish. While you're waiting for the download to finish, you can read up on all the features of Discord. So here it says Discord is a place where you can belong to a school club, a gaming group, or a worldwide art community. You can actually have a whole bunch of communities on Discord. So, just think about any type of place like your workspace or your friend group, simply your friend group. You can actually have all of this on Discord, especially right now with work from home and social distancing. It's a great place to be with your friends and other people. So our download is done and we're going to open the file immediately. By the way, don't be too intimidated by Discord because even people who have used Discord for the longest time get stuck on certain things. So don't be shy. So as you can see, our Discord is installing, and here we go. So we've never used Discord before, so we're going to register. Down here where it says need an account, register. Now for you to register, you need to have an email and a username and set a password and set up your date of birth. So I have an email address here that I don't use, and that's what I'm going to use. And let's make a username. Since our username is Jenny, since our email address is Jenny, let's say maybe Jenny. And here's the password, which I'm not going to tell you. Right. And the date of birth. Let's pick, I don't know, Valentine's Day because it's so romantic. And the birth year is 1994. So let's continue. And now we have to confirm that we're human. Obviously we are, so click the button here. And there we go, our Discord is loading. So I'm going to disable streamer mode because it's sensing that I'm recording my screen. When you're recording your screen, you might record your screen to, stream video either within Discord or YouTube. You can do all that. Right. And it wants us to verify our email, but we won't do that. So on the left here on Discord, you can see a little thin panel. And on this panel, this is where you're going to have all your communities to join. Now, we don't have any communities, so the only thing we actually have here is our home button. If you click the home button, right now it doesn't do anything because we're already on the home. So this is actually the Discord home, And if you're in a server, I'll show you later, but you're in a server, what on this larger left panel, you're gonna see your channels. So yeah, I'll get into that later. And what you see here for now on our home would be our friends. So you can add friends by sharing their username. And once you have friends, you can check who's online. You can check all your friends. You can check friend requests that you're waiting for. And you can check blocked people. So Discord is really quiet for now, as it says over here. So while we're here, let's join a Discord community, shall we? Click Add a Server, and instead of creating your own, you're going to go to the bottom and join a server. So an invite should look like this. Luckily, we have an invite to another server. I saved this invite here. So let's copy this invite and join the server. So this server is called CETA server. As you can see, up here we have text channels, and down here we have voice channels. So when you're in someone else's server, you can talk to people by simply sending messages. So, hi, I'm Jenny. No one's here, so we don't have anyone to talk to. Jenny, 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 Jenny. I seem to like my name a lot. And you can go to other channels and have other conversations here. So this channel is for clips and highlights. So you can share videos with friends here by simply sharing YouTube links and Twitch streams or other video content. So these are the channels we have. Now, what's down here are voice channels. As soon as you join a voice channel, everyone will be able to hear you. So hey, welcome to your first voice channel. I got it. So when you're in a voice channel, as you can see, every time I speak, it goes green on the around the edges. So yeah, that's just to indicate that you're talking. But if you don't want anyone to hear you, you can scroll down and click this button for mute. So now when I talk, as you can see, we don't have the green circle, so no one can hear me talking. You can have your friends join you in these channels. So to unmute, you click the mute button again. So there's a lot going on here, and I'm going to show you how to make sense of it. So we're connected to the voice channel, and it just tells us that we're in a lobby in CETA server. So this tells us about the noise suppression. You don't need to know about that. But on the right, this is what you use to disconnect from a voice chat. So if we click this, we're out of the voice channel. And things kind of go back to normal here. But let's see if what we can do when we're back in the voice channel. So here you can turn on your camera, which I'm not going to do right now. And you can also share your screen. So you know how to share your screen in other applications. So for example, I will share my web browser here. And now I'm live and it's sharing my web browser. But you do not need to know this stuff. If I double click, it goes full screen. And if I double click again, oh, sorry. if I want to stop sharing my screen, I click that button there. Once again, you can invite people to your server. Now, what else can we do on CETA's server? On CETA's server, you can also invite people to join. If you click CETA's server, you can click invite people over here, and it makes a link that you can invite to CETA's server. Now, how else can we find other servers? Don't be shy about looking for Discord servers online. So one way to do this is to explore public servers here. So if we click that, there are a variety of servers that you can join. So I'm not going to click any of these servers because they might have private conversations here, but you can filter through different servers, or you can search for your own favorite server. So for example, let's think of what Jenny likes. Maybe not makeup. How about Jenny likes food? So type in food and press enter. Oops, 0 communities about food. Oh no, 162 communities about food. So let's think. Let's think of a music server. And Jenny likes jazz. So type in jazz and press enter, and you'll be able to find a lot of jazz channels, or rather 5 jazz channels. And you can join the servers, and you'll probably find people who listen to jazz or want to talk about jazz. And that's where you can meet new people and you can meet new friends. But we're not going into these because, like I said, people might be having private conversations and I do not want to record that. Alright, so I've shown you how to download Discord for Windows and how to create an account and how to use Discord. So I've shown you the basics of how to use Discord, how to navigate the different channels, how to be a part of other people's servers. So that's the basics you need to know. That's all you need to know for now. But as Discord becomes more complicated, as you join more communities, you might be a little overwhelmed, but don't be shy to search for other servers or search for things that you don't know how to do on Discord. So for example, we can search for a server for Twine. Let's see. Twine is a tool that is used to make interactive fiction. So I'm sure there must be a community. Let's see. Twine server. Oh, sorry. Twine Discord server. And as you can see, there is a Twine Discord server. If we click it, we'll immediately join the Discord server because there is an invite link over here. So let's exit that. And going back to Discord, I'm going to show you what my Discord looks like without showing any servers that aren't mine. So this is your server, or rather this is CETA's server, the one I showed you. And if you click the server below here, you will go to Proserium.net. But before we click that, as you notice, I am in a lot of communities here. So, you can end up being in a lot of communities, or you can just be in a few communities. I am, I love talking to people online and I love being a part of certain things. So that's why I'm in a lot of servers. But here, let me show you some simple servers, or rather, let me show you an important server to me. So this is the Proserium.net server. If you open the server, there, as you can see, there is a lot more going on. And one of the first channels you see, so if you look on the left, you can see a lot of different channels with different icons, but and also different categories. So one of the first parts I have is what is Discord, and this is a video that explains Discord or an article that explains Discord. So you can check these out yourself, but I just decided to make a super beginner video because I was asked how to use Discord even after checking out these videos and articles. Um, some other things I have here are rules which everyone has to read, and yeah. So yeah, there are a lot of channels here. Don't worry if you're overwhelmed. Sometimes if you ask, people will help you out. So yeah, that's about using Discord. And I hope you have a good time once you're in your first few servers. Bye.